Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Honor 8X and we are going to do the unboxing hands-on and also check out the camera features. And in this box what we are getting is the Honor 8X. It comes with the blue color and we will show you a little by little. Here you can see the blue color is written. It is a RAM of 4 GB and 64 GB storage variant, and the battery comes with the 3750 milliampere. It has a 20 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera. The device is internationally launched already, and here you can see it comes with the glass finish and it has a premium look and finish. The device looks pretty much similar to the Honor 9N or Honor 9i. So let's keep the device aside. Here we are also getting the SIM card ejector tool, some paperwork which is the quick start guide and the warranty card. There is a silicone back cover, so this will be helpful. As you can see, it has a edge to edge display. It has a notch also in the display. We will talk about it later. Now coming to this, you are getting a micro USB charging cable and also a power adapter to charge the device. So this is what we are getting in the box content. Now talking about the device. Now coming to the device, here as you can see, the device looks pretty much premium. It has a new finish. So here you can see there is more than 3/4 glass, premium glass look, and there is a different shade also in the other side. It comes with the AI camera. Honor branding is there. There is a fingerprint sensor mounted at the back. There is also a dual camera setup, which is a 20 plus 2 megapixel camera. The 20 megapixel camera is the primary camera. The 2 megapixel camera is for the depth sensor. Now coming to the front side, it comes with the notch. It has a body of 6.5 inch full HD plus display. And coming to the front camera, it is a 16 megapixel front camera and the screen to body ratio is 19.5:9. So you can see it comes like pure view, full view kind of display. Coming to the bottom part, you are getting a 3.5mm jack, micro USB charging cable, and there is also a speaker grill. So unfortunately you are not getting the earphones in the box. There is a power button and the volume rocker key on the right side of the device. On the top you are getting a noise cancellation mic, and on the other side we are getting the SIM tray. So I will take it out and also show you the SIM tray. Here you can see you are getting a 3 slots where 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD slot, and it will support the 4G VoLTE in the device. Now coming to that part, the device looks pretty much premium. What I have already told you, it is definitely a little bigger to hold in hand. The device comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, so which is one of the coolest feature. And recently we have seen that the beta version of EMUI 9 is already rolling out, so definitely this will get the Android Pie update. Now coming to the security feature of the device comes with the fingerprint sensor, and we have seen in the Honor phones already the fingerprint sensor is not only a fingerprint sensor, but it can stop alarm and answer the call and also show the notification panel. These are the few features that the fingerprint sensor can do. The device also comes with a face unlock. The face unlock registration is very easy to do and you can do that, and the unlocking feature works very smoothly. Now talking about the face unlock, definitely it is one of the highlight feature what the device is coming with, and here you can see the face unlock works very smoothly. I have registered this face unlock. We haven't tried or tested in the low light situation. Now coming to the hardware, the device comes with the 6.5 inch full HD plus display, what I have already told you. Coming to the processor, it has an octa-core Kirin 7110, which is a powerful processor. It supports the AI in the camera. Now talking about the RAM, this is a 4 GB RAM variant coming with the 64 GB internal storage. The rear camera is a setup of 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. In the front there is a 16 megapixel camera. Now going to the OS, it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.1, and definitely EMUI 9 you will get with the Pie update. So definitely that is coming on the way. Now talking about the battery, it comes with the 3750 milliampere battery, which is definitely a huge one. Now here you can see we are playing with the display and you can hide the notch. So let me come a little bit closer and we'll show you. If we put the hide the notch here you can see, and the notch is back, so you can check it out. It looks pretty much different. It depends upon the variety what you want to have. You want a notch display smartphone or a normal display smartphone, but it is not a hectic task to do around. Now talking about the camera, the rear camera comes with the dual camera setup, which is a 20 plus 2 megapixel camera, and the front we are getting a 16 megapixel camera, and we also get the AI, which you can manually switch on or switch off, which is a very easy function to do along with. And in the bottom we are getting some modes. There are some modes also inside which you can check it. So mainly we are getting the aperture mode, night mode, portrait mode, photo mode, video mode, and little more about that. Coming to the video mode, the video size can be recorded in the full HD mode with the 60 fps. There is a full HD mode with 30 fps, and also there is a mode full HD with 30 fps, and also there will be a screen to body ratio where you can do it 18:9, so it will be also full HD. And lastly there is an HD mode which is 720p. Coming to some more modes, there is the AR lens, time lapse, filter, watermark, HDR, light painting, slow-mo, panorama shots, and pro shots. So definitely you can play it around, and you can download some more modes like food mode. Now talking about the camera samples, we have tried and tested the camera in a low light situation, also a daylight situation, and here we are not putting any verdict on the camera, but we are showing how the samples came out. And we have tried all the modes, nearly the pro mode, and also according to the portrait mode. The selfie mode we have also tried out. You can check it out, what we will show in a while. And here you can see we have tried and tested using the AI camera, and the pictures looks pretty much pop up. It is vibrant and colorful. And in the HDR mode, whatever this is, we are getting in the HDR mode. Now talking about the front camera, we have taken, this is with the portrait mode and this is with the normal mode. So we have taken the two samples here. Coming back to the device will be coming in the blue and the black color, I guess. Still the blue color is the gorgeous one. Talking about the price point of the device will be coming from 15,000 to 17,000. What I think will be the price for the 4GB 64GB variant. This is all about the Honor 8X. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.